Hello guys, welcome back to ChartsDWorks. Douglas here. So today, as usual, I'll be giving up some free analysis on the market. So the first one will be Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have a very nice bull run since early of 2019. Okay, I've been calling out for the buy, and yes, right now we are here. Last week, we had a $2,000 run up from the 6,000 area towards the 8,300, the peak of the current situation. All right. So what actually happens last week? Right. For those who are in our WhatsApp public group, let's recap. And for those who are not, I will be sharing the link on this video so you guys can join us for free. All right. So you see, last week when the price hit the 8,000 mark, I quickly gave up some outlook on the market. And what I'm seeing that time was some ranging, since we have picked the 8,000 mark, and I'm expecting some range. And of course, in the near term, the resistance will be 8,400. All right. I have mentioned that if price break through the 8,400 mark, we are easily going to hit the 9,000 mark. Of course, if the price were to retrace or break the support, the nearest support, we're gonna go back to the 6,400 area. Right? And then I call out the short, okay, the short setup. So my short was initially execute from 8,200 with a tight stop loss around 8,500 towards the target of 7,400. Okay, this was since last Thursday. And Friday, the very next morning, see, 9 a.m. price did spike towards 6,000 area. All right, you can see that Bitcoin crashed 10% to 7,000 and beyond, blah blah blah. So what happened was there was some big player in the BitMEX. BitMEX is a cryptocurrency exchange focusing on Bitcoin trading, margin and without margin, and they have a very large volume and turnover every single day. So what happened was one of the big player dumped Bitcoin, all right, and wiped out almost $250 million within minutes. All right, you can see that it liquidated most of the long position on BitMEX. Okay, what I mean by liquidated will be those who are on buy with margin or without margin. All right, they get wiped out for their trading account, right, or margin call, and all their position will automatically sold by the exchange. All right, so they're gonna lose a lot, like a lot, man. So on my position, the short, okay, a 1 day short was actually a huge success. Okay, you see, short, boom, take profit, price go beyond. Okay, so for those who are in the public group, should be making some good money. All right, so boom, and here we are today. So what's the outlook for now? Okay, check this out. Let's change into the 2-hour chart. Okay, this is what I'm seeing right now. Okay, this was the spike. Okay, some of the exchange data might showing the difference. Okay, some of the data will show like the price went beyond the 6,400. So right now I'm using the Bitfinex data provider. So what I'm seeing is a 7,000 spike. So no worries. Let's look into my analysis, my outlook, right? Same, you see, if price were to break this area, so this we are going back to the bull run and continue of the rally. Okay, but of course we can see that with the price action right now, the selling pressure is damn high. We have a third retest, and no doubt we might getting the fourth retest around here, the 8200 area. All right, so from there we can execute a nice short position towards the nearest target again, 7400. Okay, if price were to break lower, we are going to see the 6800. Okay, of course my ultimate target will be the 6200 area. Okay, do expect some range, okay, within this zone. Okay, let me highlight this. Okay, this zone, within this red zone, before the next huge movement gonna commence. All right, be patient. As I mentioned from the last analysis, do expect some range market after the huge spike, the huge rally. All right, so that's all for Bitcoin. Clear cut, I'm on the downside. Any spike towards this area will be a short for me with a tight stop loss. All right, I can show you guys I'm actually shorting, okay, on one of the position with 2,500 US dollar. Okay, and the price, the entry price was around 7,489. Okay, and then you see right now I'm floating with negative loss, and of course I'm earning some nice overnight interest holding a short position. All right, transparent. So next will be gold, my favorite pair. So gold, let's switch back to 4-hourly chart. See that? Okay, last on the previous video I called out that the price were to hit 1265 again, but it did not happen. On the NFP night, price went up to 1288 and then ranged for a while, and then boom towards the 1300 area again. The 1300 was the psychology support and resistance zone mentioned a lot before. Okay, everyone thought that gold is going to forming a high, gonna rally towards 1310 area, and no, man. What actually happened was price being rejected from this area, the psychology is resistant, and crossed below the EMA 200 and below the trend line. Okay, look at this trend line, man. This is a valid trend line, you see. First retest, and then third retest. Price did actually went down, and then breakout, fake out, and then cross below again. So right now price is below my short-term MA lines. This is my MA 10, EMA 21. So my outlook's simple. Again, we're gonna retest 1267 area. If possible, if the bear power is strong enough, we gonna see 1258. Okay, this 1258 was the target set when the price retest around here. Okay, so this was the initial target since my last analysis. So quick one, a nice risk reward ratio 1 to 1.7. Okay, 1 to 1.7. Stop loss around 1288. Okay, we can execute our sell around the 1280 area, which is the 50 pips above us, around the EMA 221, or you can execute maybe around 1278 area, or you may execute now right away, but be patient. All right, be patient. So this is a very clear-cut analysis for gold. Of course, one more fact I need to show you guys on the weekly chart. Okay, let's go into the clean chart. See this. Last week, the formation of the candle, so nice. Shooting star formation. So that the week above, price went up and then get reject back. And right now we are here. Okay, let's look into the last candlestick. Okay, on the early of 2019 and December, you see. The wicks are all above here, and then boom, breakout, came back down, support, wicks below, wicks below, wicks above, boom to the downside, and saw that. Two retests on the 1267 area, which is on the EMA 200 line. Very, very interesting pattern. So what we can say that is, this is the resistance area above us. So any short execute here, we know where should we place our stop loss if things goes wrong. So you see, I am looking towards the 126S retest again. The third retest, no doubt, can be easily done. You see, okay. Take profit can be also set around 1265, a nice 100 pips profit right in front of us. But need to be careful because the FOMC meetings will be on Thursday, 2 a.m. in the morning, Malaysia time. So this will have some big impact on the market. Quote with US dollar pairs, can be US gold. Gold will be affected, obviously. So next, the last one will be pound dollar as per request from one of our members, June. Okay, this morning. So pound, quick one. All right. Pound weekly chart. Okay, let's do it from the bigger time frame first, the weekly chart. So that the fake Moribozu, okay, and then bearish engulf. Last week candle, very bearish. See, from 13 to 127, 300 pips within 1 week. Very, very bearish price action. So let's get into the 4 hour chart. Okay, what actually happened was in our private group, we actually call out the sell after we confirm the trend line broke. So that this is a valid trend line, and then one of the candle, the bearish candle, closed below the trend line and below my EMAs and MA line. And we actually call our sell here, and then took some profit around the weekly support, which is around 1.2865, and price go beyond us. All right, it's around more than 400 downside since the peak of the 3rd of May. So right now we are here, you see my negative Fibonacci extension. So if you would like to ask me, I'm still downside for pound. Okay, why I say so? Let's look into the dollar index. 4 hour chart, same. See this trend line, valid trend line, third retest, breakout, and we are going higher. See the EMA 200 act nicely on the price, right? So I'm bullish on US dollar, and of course for pound I'm still bearish, same as gold. All right, correlated. So if you like to ask me sell, yeah, you can execute a sell, but I'm not going to trade because it's too late for us to jump into a sell. Okay, even you see the risk reward ratio for the price to land on my next weekly support will be 1.26. The risk reward ratio is about 1:1 with the stop loss above my EMA 21. See the trend line, the MA line, MA 10, you see, riding all the way down, can't even close above since the breakdown from here. So selling 1-to-1 risk reward ratio is up to you to trade. For buy, I think it's too early for us. You see, everything is pointing down. All right, no sign of reversal, and US dollar is going bullish, so no point of buying. All right, it's not a good buy. Even the dip, I mean, even the price is, you know, so damn low right now. See, weekly chart, we are back around the you see, we are going to cross the January low, you know, the yearly low. So I think price is very bearish right now. It's not a good buy. Okay, you have been warned, man. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy my analysis. I hope you guys have a profitable week ahead. Trade safe. All right, join our group. Look at our updates. All right, that's all. Thank you guys. See you again.